Hi, thanks a lot for listening to this tutorial video on how to create or transform a variable in Eviews. Variable creation or transformation can be necessary in the situation of econometric modeling, for example, in which you have to use, for example, the logarithm transformation to have your model interpretable in terms of elasticity between between the dependent variable and independent variable. So you can be in a particular situation, it can be necessary to transform your variable in order to have a new kind of variable. In Eviews, to generate a new variable, you just need to go in generate in gen. This tab, you click on gen, and the first step is to give a name to your variable. So I have many variables in my database here in Eviews. I have, for example, the variable exchange rate that I'm going to transform into logarithm So I will name it log exchange rate. Log exchange rate like this equal. Which what is the value of my log exchange rate? Is the logarithm. Logarithm in use of the function log into a bracket. I should just put the name of variable exchange rate. Exchange rate. My variable log exchange rate is just equal to the logarithm of exchange rate, and then I click on OK, and you can see that the variable log exchange rate can be have been generated in as new variable. So you can also, for example, generate exchange rate square as exchange rate, my variable exchange rate using the square symbol as you can see. So then just click on OK, and you can see that our variable exchange rate square here has been just generated. So that's it for this tutorial. We hope this tutorial have very well help you understand how to generate new variable or make a transformation of the variable in Eviews. See you very soon.